What is up, my fellow YouTubers? John here with SoCal Outdoor Adventure. In today's video we are going to do a compare and contrast between the AreoPress Go and the ArePress Go Plus. Stick around, this is going to be a fun one. So what we have here today are two products by AreoPress. We have the AreoPress Go and the AreoPress Go Plus. And this is a compare and contrast video between the two products. This is a versus episode. First time I've done a versus episode on any of these products for quite a long time. Today I thought I'd go ahead and give you guys a full breakdown of these two products and what they can do and what are the things that I like about one product versus the other one. Now, I have been using the AreoPress Go now for a good couple of years, since roughly around 2020, maybe 2021, and this product has actually been great. I actually have two AreoPress Go's. I had used this one in my camping kit when I go by myself, and I also have another one. I have two other ones. I have the AreoPress XL that I use in my camper trailer to make coffee for both myself and my wife, and I also have another AreoPress Go that I use to make coffee for myself in case I just want a cup of coffee and my wife doesn't want coffee. So there's no point in wasting. And this does come in handy. Recently, 2 months ago, I came across a new product from AreoPress, and that is the AreoPress Go Plus. And I was intrigued because, I mean, there's a lot of features that I saw with this product that can outweigh the AreoPress Go in many different ways. So first of all, let's go ahead and start with the differences, the pros and the cons, and the differences between these devices. So first and foremost, with the AreoPress Go, you can make up to about 3 cups of coffee with this one. The AreoPress Go Plus allows you to make up to 4 cups of coffee. So that's a big one. Second is going to be the features. Now, obviously, with the AreoPress Go, you've got this kind of like square, rounded shaped cup that everything sits nicely inside of it, and that's okay. The AreoPress Go Plus, however, everything that comes with this sits in a tumbler, and with the tumbler you can take this with you on the go. You can drink it on the go, and it fits into any size cup holder you have in your vehicle, and that's a huge pro for this one. Next, we're going to talk about what it comes with. So the AreoPress Go, obviously you got the cup, you got this rubber lid. You pull the lid off. It does come with a small storage container for the papers, for the paper filters. Here's your cup. You got your scoop for your coffee, stir stick, and then of course you got your plunger and your strainer. Great. The AreoPress Go, on the other hand, comes obviously with the tumbler. You do have the stir stick, coffee scoop. You got your plunger and the strainer, and then of course you've got your lid that sits on top of your tumbler to help keep your coffee nice and warm or cold. Depends on how you like your coffee. I have seen videos where people have used this to make a cold brew, and it's pretty interesting. But me personally, especially if I'm going camping, I love a nice hot cup of coffee. And also too, this does come with a storage container to store your paper filters. But the advantage that this one has over the AreoPress Go, this AreoPress Plus has the paper filters installed in the bottom of the container, and that's awesome. So let's go ahead and do some compare and contrast features between the AreoPress Go versus the AreoPress Go Plus. Now, the first feature that we definitely want to talk about, and this is a swip swap here. Well, not a swip swap, but you know what I mean. With the AreoPress Go and the AreoPress Go Plus, AreoPress Go Plus does have a larger capacity volume for water, for liquid, and coffee. And it also does come on the lid itself. It does come with a QR code that you can peel off, and if you scan the QR code, it shows you different coffee recipes that you can brew with this system right here. The strainers on both the AreoPress Go and the AreoPress Go Plus, they're about the same. But the other cool thing I like about the strainers though is that they can swap out. So if I wanted to, I can remove the strainer from the AreoPress Go and the AreoPress Go Plus, and I can switch them. So this one for the AreoPress Go would go on my AreoPress Go Plus, and this one would go on the AreoPress Go. Simple, right? AreoPress does make other additional strainers, including a espresso filter that you can put on either one of these two units. So that's actually pretty cool. So, but of course, I'm not really much of an espresso drinker. I might try it though. So I'm going to go and put this guy back, and then put the other one back on the other one. Now here is where the AreoPress Go, when it comes to the coffee system, shines versus the AreoPress Go Plus. Well, actually no, reverse that. Here is where the AreoPress Go Plus, there we go, outshines the AreoPress Go, and that is going to be with the tumbler. The tumbler lid that comes with the AreoPress Go Plus will nest on top of the strainer, because on the strainer itself there are two of these plastic pieces, very tough, and ow, ooh, that's smart. And the actual strainer, the actual lid for the AreoPress Go Plus sits on top. Ooh, what, that really hurt. Will actually sit on top of the string system when in carry. So that's pretty cool, and that's awesome too. Whereas with the AreoPress Go, it doesn't have that. It just sits back in the cup, and it's covered with this rubber piece right here. Next, we're going to talk about the stir sticks for the AreoPress Go versus the AreoPress Go Plus. Now, the AreoPress Go is stir stick. It's just like an L shape. I mean, it does work, but let's face it, this is not one of my favorites, but it does work. However, the stick that comes with the stir stick that comes with the AreoPress Go Plus, this one I do like, because one, everything comes in this nice factor, whereas this guy, it's one piece. It's two pieces, but this one has three pieces. And now it does take a little longer to set it up all together, but one thing I like about this stir stick versus this stir stick is that this prevents it when it's in your cup. It prevents it from falling inside of the cup, and that's awesome. This one obviously only has one, but again, it can still move around and all that, and it looks really funky. So that's the stir sticks. Obviously, we're not going to talk about the scoops. The scoops are the same capacity when it comes to coffee. No big deal. The plunger system that comes with the AreoPress Go Plus versus the AreoPress Go, however, is a lot more better, because the plunger that comes with the AreoPress Go, I mean, again, the AreoPress Go can only hold three cups of coffee, whereas the AreoPress Go Plus holds 4 cups. But if you look at the plungers, look at the size difference. Now, you're probably thinking, well, what if I just go ahead and take the plunger for the AreoPress Go system, pull that out, and put it in the tumbler? Guess what? Not going to happen, because it doesn't fit. It does not fit inside the tumbler. But with the plunger and the press put together, it does fit nice and comfortably inside the tumbler system. And that's awesome. Paper capacity, both products use the same type of paper filters. So you don't have to go out buying any type of special paper filters for either one of these two products. But the storage capacity is a huge pro for the AreoPress Go Plus versus the AreoPress Go. Paper filter storage for this thing is about roughly around 10 to 12 papers. And I would say at least 10 paper filters. Now you would have to buy like some type of a container to carry your filters, extra filters, if you need them. So here, whoops, nope, that's sugar. I don't want that one. This one I want. I do have this metal container here that does have more of the paper filters inside. Now they do make a stainless steel filter that you can use, and it will work on both AreoPress Go and the AreoPress Go Plus. So that's pretty awesome. And I have used that before, and it does work. It actually does work. It's a metal disc that goes inside the filters, and that allows you to use the AreoPress. Now, excuse me. Now, granted, what you could go ahead and do is you could buy a separate tumbler system to use with your AreoPress Go if you want to. But, I mean, AreoPress does sell the tumbler and another cup separately. But you're going to be spending anywhere between 20 and 30 bucks for those two, for any of those two products. If you buy like a different tumbler system, that could definitely work, but the problem is you have to make sure that the AreoPress Go does actually fit on the tumbler. Now, with this one here, it does fit, but it is loose. However, the press though that comes with the AreoPress Go fits on the tumbler, and it's not going to move that much. It does move, but it doesn't move that much. Other advantage that you're going to have with the AreoPress Go Plus versus the AreoPress Go is that the AreoPress Go does come with this rubber insert, and there's no safety hole. And obviously, the cup is not the size to where you can fit into different type of cup holders inside your vehicle. However, the AreoPress Go Plus is a tumbler system, so this allows you to place this cup inside any cup holder you have inside your vehicle, and that's awesome. I really love that about that. So we're going to go and put everything back together. So we have our AreoPress Go plunger, and of course our strainer. I put the original strainer back on. Oops, almost dropped it. And then voila. Now with the AreoPress Go Plus, same thing, right? But the one thing that you don't have to mess with though, putting away, is the paper filters, because the paper filters are installed on the bottom of the actual tumbler, and then fits inside, and that's right there, and the lid goes right on top of the press. And then look at that. I mean, I'm shaking it and it's not popping out. I've got it in there. This actually holds it in there pretty well. Now, first and foremost, neither one of these two products do come with any type of storage bag whatsoever. However, you can purchase a separate storage bag for the AreoPress Go, but that's going to cost you around $10. Or if you saw in my previous video on how I create a storage system or carry bag system for the AreoPress Go, that is something that you can also go ahead and do. Now, something that you may want to take in consideration with both of these systems is that you're going to need something to be able to carry, to be able to boil water. So you do have to carry with you some type of a cook pot or a kettle with you to boil water, to make your coffee or whatever. But with the AreoPress Go, remember, you have to carry this stuff separate, as well as you have to carry this stuff separate. And you also have to have a separate cup if you want to be able to have coffee in the vehicle when driving. But with the AreoPress Go Plus system, you don't have to do that. You just need a pot, your fixins, make your coffee inside the tumbler, and then you can drink it while you're at camp, or you can take it with you in your vehicle, and this will fit in any cup holder inside your vehicle, and that's pretty awesome. So overall, what are my overall feelings about these two products? Well, first off, they're AreoPresses. AreoPress, in my opinion, has been a great product, no doubt about it. I mean, I've been using them for quite a while, and I'm pretty impressed with how versatile and the different features you can get with these products. Price-wise, if we're talking about the price, if that is something you're concerned about, AreoPress Go system by itself is between $40 and $50. AreoPress Go Plus is going to cost you anywhere between $70 to $90. And you can get special discounts if you order these guys on Amazon. They do often have specials going on both of these products. But the one thing you do want to keep in mind is that if you want to make this system, if you want to make your AreoPress Go system similar to the AreoPress Go Plus, you're gonna have to buy yourself a separate tumbler if you want to keep your coffee stored that way. And keep in mind that it's going to cost around it's going to cost you an extra 20 to 30 bucks. And the other key factor you're going to want to remember is that this system is not going to set inside that tumbler, whereas the AreoPress Go Plus coffee plunger system that comes with the system sits comfortably inside of the tumbler. Now, what you can also go ahead and do as well is that if you were, God forbid, if you were to lose your tumbler, you lose the tumbler, you can always purchase a brand new tumbler off Amazon, and you can still use this press system with that AreoPress tumbler. And that AreoPress tumbler that they do sell is around 30 bucks. And the one advantage, again, I love about this AreoPress is that the lid nests comfortably on top of the press system and keeps everything all nice and together. So all you really need is your fix-ins and some type of a pot to boil water to make coffee. Weight wise, if weight is an issue, the weight of the AreoPress Go like this right now is 8 ounces. The weight of the AreoPress Go Plus, weight wise, with everything put together, is only 10 ounces. So it's only a 2 ounce difference. So it's not really that big of a difference between when it comes to ounces wise. Overall, I absolutely love these products. These products are going to be a part of my system for quite a very long time. They will have their own way of, I will have my own separate way of using these products. Obviously, the AreoPress, I have 2 of these AreoPress Go's, including the AreoPress Go XL. So the AreoPress Go XL, I use that to make coffee for both myself and my wife in our camper. And I'll keep an AreoPress Go in the trailer as well to make coffee just for myself in case there's time where my wife doesn't want coffee. I can just make some just for myself. And my AreoPress Go Plus system will go with me on my camping adventures when I'm by myself. And I may even take this with me when I go on my hiking trips every now and then, because honest to God, this system works very, very well. And I absolutely love this system. So I hope you guys enjoyed this special versus episode of the AreoPress Go versus the AreoPress Go Plus. Which one do I think is better? My say is that it depends on the situation. If price is something that you are concerned about, I would go for the AreoPress Go. But if price is not a factor, I would definitely go for the AreoPress Go Plus. AreoPress Go Plus has more features than what you're going to get out of the AreoPress. Not to mention, again, this thing does fit into any coffee maker you have, and you've also got a large capacity for the paper filters if you need more additional paper filters for your AreoPress. So a lot of great things to come. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now get outside and have an adventure. So long.